Okay, today we have the Defy Autodry, and it's a model DTD252. So what's wrong with it is that it is blowing air and it is getting hot, but the drum doesn't turn. As you can hear, it's blowing air and you can hear the motor running, but if you open it up, it's still. Okay, and you can hear the motor running. It's not only the fan, or it seems like it's not only the fan. The exhaust fan is also turning. So what I'm assuming we're going to see is the belt is probably off that goes to the drum. So let's open it up and see. It's just these few screws here in the back. Just make sure there's supposed to be screws here at the bottom as well. I've still got only one left. So it's only over here and on the sides. I'm going to open it up and show you what I see. Okay, I'm going to show you exactly what I saw after I open it up. As you can see at the bottom, there's the belt. Now I don't know if it just came off or it broke, and yes, the belt broke. Now this belt goes on the pulley here in front of the motor, and then it turns all the way around the whole drum. The belt goes all the way around. Okay, so it's quite an easy fix. What we can do, just quickly to see, is if that motor is running, but I mean, feeling from the exhaust in the back here shows it does, but let's just plug it in and see. Okay, it's plugged in now. Let's see if we start it up. There you go. See, the motor is turning. So it's Sunday now. Tomorrow is Monday, but it's a holiday. So I'll only be able to buy a new belt on Tuesday. And then put it in Tuesday evening, and then we're good to go again. Okay, so we got the brand new cable here. That's a broken one. This is a new one. When I got it, I realized to get it over the drum, we're gonna have to loosen the drum from the housing on the outside. But what I'm first gonna do is I'm gonna clean up some of this fluff and crap that lies around here. So I'm gonna clean that up, and I'm gonna show you how I put the belt onto the drum. Okay, I cleaned up as much of the fluff as I'm willing to spend time on that. What I'm going to do first, I'm going to loosen these two on this side, on the right hand side, and then put the belt in here. Then I'm going to fasten it again, and then on this side I'm going to do the same. But as you can see, we're going to need to loosen these cables. So I'm going to mark them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so I know where they're coming in. And then I don't know if it's necessary, but I put a little bit of support there at the bottom, so that if the drum is loose, it doesn't fall down all the way. Okay, so I'm going to loosen that one side, and then I'm going to put the cable in, the belt in. When you're cleaning out, just remember there's a lot of fluff on the motor as well in here, and then always just do it while the appliance is plugged out. Remember, there's one part that's a bit rough and one part that is smooth. The smooth part goes onto the drum. Okay, it was a lot more difficult than I anticipated, but the belt is on and is on the right spot. Now I just need to stretch it here at the bottom to go over the pulley there on the motor. I did take the old belt because I couldn't believe this one was the right size, but I took the old belt and put it over again, and it is a little bit more loose than this new one, but I assume that's just because of all the years of work that's already done. So this belt is the right size. It's just going to be a matter now of stretching it over the pulley there on the motor. So the stretching part was easier than I thought. Just stretches over the pulley there, and then I assume it will align itself correctly. So let's plug it in and see how it runs. Okay, the motor is running and we can see the drum is spinning, so everything is working again 100%. Excellent. Now all left is to put the cover back on with these screws on the side and the one on the top, one or two at the bottom, and we're done. Thanks for watching.